Hello everyone, this guy's going to show you how to import MMD models to Unity, then to VRChat. The first thing you want to do is download and install Unity version 2019.4.31f1. Once you have done that, create a new project for a 3D avatar, and then we shall begin. Open up the project, which I already done, so give me a second to load that up. Once you have this screen, right-click this tab right here, go to Import Custom Package, go to your location with your model, import packages. Now that you're in your package folder location, go to the MMD VRM MMD mechanism thing, go to the standard package, open it, go start importing. You'll get this tab, you can import all this junk, and you'll be able to import your MMD model. Repeat the same process for the UniVRM 0.53.0 package, and you will get this tab up here called the VRM tab. File, save, exit Unity, then reopen up your Unity project. What you want to do now is locate your MMD model, click the folder, and drag and drop it onto Unity. Unity will now start importing your model into your project scene, as you can see here. Once that is done, go to your model folder in Unity, locate your model, in this case should be right here. Click all these boxes over here, click agree, click process. Let Unity process your MMD data so it can be converted to FBX. You'll get a FBX model right here, as you can see by the silhouette. Click the silhouette, change the generic tab to humanoid, click the optimize game object, press apply, let Unity convert your data, click configuration. Now, go to your VRM tab, use the Unity VRM, export humanoid, put in something for the author, so I'll put just joking. Click exports. Now I'll go to my Unity tab folder by going to my C drive, going to users, go to my username, go to my Unity project right here, go to assets, go to the character name folder, create a new folder, which I'll just call it VRM. Save it. Let Unity export a copy folder to a new folder. Now, in Unity, you will see a new tab called VRM or whatever folder you named the folder to be. Now go to the character model right here, right click it, delete it, click apply, just so you can save it for later on. Go to the new folder, drag and drop the model onto here. Your model will show. Now, go over to your right side. Make sure all your legs and everything is posed properly. For me personally, this model has some changes I would like. I want to make the legs back into proper. I'll go to the Harry Potter, go to character, root, character joint center, joint waist, find my hips, go to the Z axis, change this by 5, find this triple dot thing right here, click it, go to modify component, apply it. Now for the L hip, I want to make it the -5. Do the same thing. That way the legs are fixed. Go back to Harry Potter or your character name. Go to the right window and scroll down. Go to the avatar description. Click it. Find your character name. So here I'll put it for Harry Potter.B. Save it. Do the same process. Do the thing for the animator tab. Save it again. Scroll down. If you have blend shapes for facial animations, this is where you want to put all your vowels and stuff. So click it there. Click the face. Your thing will show. Go to the U_character. This will show all your facials and all that junk. So for blink, I'll go here. Put the blink slider to all the way to 1, so Harry will blink. Repeat this process for all your facial animations. Once that's done, go back to your model again, go return to your normal hierarchy tab, go back to your right tabs. Okay, so there should be extra stuff, so there's a head tab right here. Locate your tab, go to character model again, go to search bar, type in head, drag and drop the head bone to your head tab. Go to this thing right here, save the component. Once all that's done, go to the model again by clicking this X over here. Click the model name again, go to VRM, export humanoid again, click export. You'll be brought back to your model folder, create a new folder. I'll create a sub VRM folder, export model there, and we're done with part 1. Now that part 1 is done, you'll go to your Unity Hub, create a new project for VRM to VRChat. This is because Unity, the MMD Mechanism and VRChat has issues where they cannot be put into the same project thing, so you always have to have 2 projects for this conversion process. Once you've created a VRM to VRChat project, like you did for the last thing, we shall begin. Open up the VRM to VRChat. Once your VRM to VRChat Unity project is open, you want to go to your Unity tab, right click, go down here, go to custom packages and import. You want to import the VRChat SDK3 package, install all that stuff. Then do the same thing, but import the Unity VRM because you want to be able to import the VRM packages. Once you're done with all of those, we shall begin. Once you're done with all of that, you'll have a VRM0 tab. Go to it, go to import from VRM0x, go to your latest project for the VRM, go to your VRM to VRChat project, create a new folder, save it. Once that's done, locate your model in the Unity tab. For me, it will be HP2. Find your model, drag and drop it onto the hierarchy tab like you did last time. Now go to your model, go to VRM, duplicate and convert for VRChat. Duplicate and convert. Now create a new subfolder, which I'll call VRChat ready. Go into the folder and save the new VRChat asset. Now you'll get this pop-up saying it's complete. Press OK. Now delete this original model. Go into your new model subfolder. Oh, wrong one. Once you're in your VRChat ready folder, find your texture folder. Click on a texture. Move this thing down here for a minute. Go to Shader tab. Go to VRM, VRM Tune, and keep doing this for all the textures. Once you're done with Now that all the Fizzbones are finished, what you want to do is go to this plus button to test the physics rigs. Give this a few seconds. Once Unity has loaded into the Unity project screen, as you can see here in the game engine, click on the scene object, go back to your model, click it, and you will see all your physics bones. Click on any arrow that you would like, you can see your model actually work with the physics. Yay! Now you're ready for VR chat almost. Click the play button again. Now, in the VR chat SDK thing, you will see all this junk. Because I'm not going to show you all this crap, you'll see that I'm all logged in. Go to the Builder tab. If you have not played VR chat for at least 12 to 24 hours and became a verified user, only when you've done that, you can be able to upload models. And you will see all this crap. Once you are in this tab, go to Build and Publish. Give this a few seconds. Because Unity is actually getting all the information ready to actually post the model into the VR chat world. As you can see here, all the information, shaders and junk is being converted. Some stuff is being logged so it can be better at performing on VR chat so it doesn't make other people's system lag. So this can take a matter of 3 to 5 minutes, give or take. Now you will get this tab. You can put in your model name, information, say if it's adult or not, if you'll make it public, or no, yes, public and private. Click on these two boxes and then upload. Now, once you're in VR chat, go to your avatars, go to your model that you just uploaded, go to change into avatar, and voila! Your MMD model is now in VR chat. If you got confused at any point, need any help, or need model rigging assistance, feel free to message me and I'd be happy to help. Ciao!